In. You want to help me put the dishes away? Hey, you want to help me with these? Put your stuff there. Okay, give me the plate. Thank you. Oh, where are you going with it? Is that Logan on that plate? Yeah. Is that Logan on there? Okay, give it to Mama so I can put it away. Oh, you don't want me to take it?
Is that baby on there?
Okay, give it to Mama so I can put it away. Thank you. Okay, got another plate for me? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa, can you get that big thing? That's a big old measuring cup. Are you trying to get the bowl? Oh, all that stuff's so tight in there, isn't it? Oh, that you can reach. Thank you. Oh, good job. Thank you. What are you trying to get to now? Trying to get the silverware out? Yeah, we gotta put that in here. Ryan, we gotta put it in here. Are you all done helping? Be careful. Can you put the spoon in the drawer?
Yes, son.
Can you put the spoon in here? Still trying to get that stuff out? Okay, put it in the drawer. Thank you. Okay, next. No, we don't want to take out. Get something else. Here. Okay, I'll put it in. What'd you find? Oh, something you want to play with? Okay, are you done helping me with put stuff away? Now you want to take it away? Okay, say bye. Bye. I love you.